The driver's side tire doesn't look too bad. As you can see here, the passenger side front tire is a little worse for wear and is definitely needing replaced badly. Doing the old penny test on my 2000 TA tires shows you that top of Abe's head is certainly covered, so these tires have plenty of tread. But the front tires that were on the 95 Firebird, they would not have passed the penny test whatsoever because they were bald. I didn't even try it. R&T Tire is just right down the street from where I live, and they have always taken good care of me whenever I've taken in my own tires and wheels, and never given me any grief about not buying the tires there, and they've always done me right. And we've got the new front tires mounted, and there's a good shot of them. Can't wait to try them out. The penny test doesn't quite apply to these tires because they are made for drag racing. But here you can see old Abe, and you can see the top of his head. But that's alright. I'm tired. I'm tired of hearing about basketball, especially because I live in Indiana and this is the month of March and all the NCAA games are being played here this year because of COVID. So that's all the radio is talking about. And I don't watch much TV, but I can't imagine it being much different. I'll be so glad when it's over because I guess I'm one of the few people in the world that doesn't care about sports.